All right, so I've got class here in 7 minutes, so we're going to get through this pretty quick. I want to find the inverse of this, and I want to say that x has got to be less than or equal to 9. All right, so I want to find the inverse of this function f of x when x is less than or equal to 9. Now, I got my 9 from here because the graph moved this way 9 units, so I already know that aspect of the x. So step 1, change f of x to y. So we're going to have y equals 3 times x minus 9 squared plus 4. We are going to switch my x's and my y's. This marker's dying here. So I'm now going to have x equals 3 times y minus 9 squared plus 4. Now we're going to do algebra and we're going to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 4 first. X minus 4 equals 3 times y minus 9 squared. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, that just came up on me real quick. So we subtract 4 and now we have 3 times y minus 9 squared. We're going to take the square root. Do not forget your plus or minus. So now I have the plus or minus the square root of x minus 4. Ooh, no. Oopsie, I forgot to divide by 3 first. Nope, not taking the square root next. We have to divide by 3 first. Bonehead mistake. So now I have x minus 4 divided by 3 equals y minus 9 squared. Now we take the square root because now I have the square root all by itself. Do not forget your plus or minus. So I have the plus or minus the square root of x minus 4 divided by 3 equals y minus 9. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. I have my plus or minus. I'm going to put my 9 in front. The square root of x minus 4 divided by 3. I don't care that this square root of 3 is there. I don't care at this point. This equals my y. So my inverse, now we're ready for the inverse. We have to decide, is it going to be plus or is it going to be minus? So we're going to come over here and we're going to look. It's got to be less than. So we got to be less than. So it's going to be the minus because this has got to be a positive number. 9 plus a positive number is going to be greater than 9. But if I do the minus, it'll be 9 minus some positive number, which will then be less than. So it's going to be the minus. So you have to pay attention. So my inverse, f inverse of x, is going to be 9 minus the square root of x minus 4 divided by 3. So in this case, normally you're going to have x is going to be greater than or equal to 9, but you can swap it because there's 2 ways you can cut a parabola. And you have to pay attention to this right here to figure out when you do your plus or minus, is it the positive or if it's the negative. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.